This short video will be on how to configure webmail. For this session, we're going to be using the RmaFinancialGroup.com website. At the end of the website URL, I would like for you to place a / and type webmail. Then hit enter. Once your webmail page appears, type in your full email address, the full email address. In this particular instance, we're going to be using help at RmaFinancialGroup.com. But use your name, your email address there, and then your password. Now, this is your round cube online mail application. If you want to use your mail online without configuring to a device, you can go to Roundcube and have all your folders and do all your functions from here. However, if you wish to download the auto configuration to your devices, you can make that selection here. By default, you have Apple, iPhone, and iPad already selected. However, if you drop the down arrow, you're going to have more selections available to you for Android. All you have to do, make that selection of choice, then click on Automatically Configure My Device. For this session, we're going to be configuring the Windows 10 Mail application. Therefore, I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to click Configure Mail Client. Now, in this option, you're going to see various mail applications available to select. For this class, we're going to be using Mail for Windows 10. Therefore, I'm going to come over under Protocols and I'm going to click on Auto Discovery. I want you to pay particular attention to the bottom line. This last sentence reads, if the auto configuration fails, please set up the account using the manual settings, which we're going to go through anyway because I want you to understand how to configure any device manually. So let's click OK. Now, on the bottom with my icons, I'm going to click on the mail icon. Alright, if you look on the accounts, there's only one account listed here, and that's Tensho Goju. The RMA Financial Group account did not appear. Therefore, we have to manually configure. Now, I want you to understand that manually configuring this on this Windows machine is pretty much going to be similar to what you're going to be doing on your handheld devices, whether it be Apple, iPad, iPod, whatever the case may be, or iPhone or Android device. You're going to go into settings of your phone, go into settings, then you're going to look for mail, click on mail, and then you're going to click on what we're going to be doing next. It's going to say add device. So I'm going to click on accounts. I'm going to look on my right hand side for managed accounts, and then I'm going to click on add account. Now there's going to be options available to you. These are different mail applications out there. If you're not configuring for any of these particular applications, I want you to use Other Account, POP, and IMAP. And that's what we're going to be using for the Windows Mail. So I'm going to click. I'm going to type in my full email address. Send your message using this name. So whichever name you want to call it, I'm going to call it RMA Work. And then I'm going to put my password in. And click sign in. Now what's happening now is all of the server settings are automatically populating and they're configuring. And once it's configured, you should have an RMA Financial Group under Manage Accounts. You see it populated there. And then if I look to the left side, I should see it up under the accounts on my left side as well. Therefore, I have two mail accounts here. Now, if you are setting up, doing what I'm doing on my computer, and if you have handheld devices, it is a very good opportunity for you to click on Get the App. Okay, so I would say click on Get the App and let that auto download onto your device. So let's click on RMA Financial Group for now. Okay, that's the previous test. So we're going to click on New Mail and establish a bilateral communication of transfer between mail going from one account to the other and back. So I'm going to send it to Thomas at tenshowgoju.com. The subject, RMA test, and RMA test. And I'm going to hit my send button. Okay, and now if everything was configured correctly, there it is. It should come in, and it did. Go to my Tensho Goju, click on that account, and there's my RMA test that just arrived. Let's click on it. And like I said, bilateral, therefore we're going to send it back to make sure we have a closed loop of communication. So I'm going to say reply, click on reply, and I'm just going to response from RMA. Okay, and we're going to send it. Let's see how fast that, oh, it already arrived, right? So that tells me we have communications going in both directions and the loop is closed. So let's look at our RMA test, and there it is. All right, that concludes the configuration. Now I'm going to show you how to remove that RMA account. So if you want to remove an account, all you got to do is click on the RMA account on the left hand side, click on accounts, click on accounts, look to the right side where it says manage accounts. That's going to be on your iPad devices. It's going to say manage accounts. You're going to click on the actual account you wish to remove, and at the bottom it says delete account. Remove this account from your device. You click yes, and this is confirmation. You're going to click delete. And that concludes this training session. Thank you.